Have you been suffering from dark circles underneath your eyes? Have you been feeling that you look fatigued or sad? It's a very common problem. What people need to take a look at is the effects of restoring tissues in the under eye area or the mid-face, and sometimes even the temple. If the temple has become very concave and it's missing tissue, this allows the tissues here to fall away and then they come down a little bit. So it's important to know that you're not stuck with that situation. You can use bio-regenerative protocols in order to use different blends. We customize these treatments. I've come up with very specific protocols. Actually, not only improve the volume under your eyes, but also directly treat the hyperpigmentation or the dark pigmentation that may be underneath your eyes. There's different reasons for this. Sometimes you can see through the thin skin underneath the eye and you're seeing veins. Sometimes it's an increased production of melanin. So I sit down with each one of my clients case by case. I take a look at what their needs are and I make sure that I address their specific needs in terms of replacing volume as well as fighting the darkness, the discoloration under the eyes using different custom blends that I prepare for each one of my clients specially in order to offer a bespoke treatment that is catered to just your needs. So I look forward to seeing you. It's important to come in for a consultation and I make sure that we get you the exact right formula for you to reach your results very happily with a longer lasting result. So I look forward to sharing that success with you and your story.